Welcome back. Well, it's a nice day and good day to go get some wood. I had to drive 2 hours to go get some wood because they don't have the other materials I need. I need to hurry up and build this cabin top before the weather comes in. It's supposed to rain and really high winds, so we gotta get this thing together. I was going to do it out of PVC, but guess what? They are out. I went all the way 2 hours away when they said that it was in stock. I get up there completely out. So I bought a whole bundle of 1x2 by 8 foot little whiteboards. It's from Finland. It was $3.60 something cents each. So just say $4 each. 20 of them. That's 78, almost $80. So yeah, things are expensive. But look at here, I got the top off. I was going to cut it all the way up to here, but I don't have enough material. It's just going to cost too much, just too much trouble. So this looks okay. I'm just going to come from here and then angle it here 20 inches and then 20 inches there, 20 inches back, and make my cabin top with that. But this wood, it's a bit on the warp side, which is okay because I'm building a boat, so it doesn't matter. It's not going to look perfect, but yeah, here's the bundle of wood. Yeah, 20 inches from here to there. The glass and 20 inches here. So the glass is 18 inches wide by 2 foot tall, so I can work with that. It'll work good. But I got to hurry up and do this. It's going to be crude and pretty much thrown together. I'll worry about fixing the deck later. I just want to build a frame so I can put a cover over this thing. That is so tall. Well, I got the frame started. Huh. Wasn't easy doing it all on the ground. Right here, I'm going to have where the window is going to be, and it's not going to be leaned over that far either. It's just barely hanging on by 2 small clamps. Well, the front's not going to be flat like that, of course. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. I like it. Well, here we are. This is what I got accomplished today. Looking like a little boat now. Look at that. Supposed to rain and actually supposed to ice over here pretty soon, or get a winter storm. Though I had to get this done. I wasn't able to film because I was too busy doing all this. Hope the weather don't get too bad. This is still going to come out to about right here. So that's not what it's going to look like. Still got more work to do. But there it is. Things on the back are just for brace. It's supposed to be really, really windy. Well, thanks for watching, and that's where we're at for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.